so... The Money in the Bank ladder match is 9 days away. Oh, man! Look at CM Punk! CM Punk! John, you should have saw the look in Punk's eyes! CM Punk flying over the announce table!
Ladies and gentlemen, as a result of a double countout, the referee has determined this match a no contest.
That's a man mad about his friend. And now CM Punk with a GTS.
My fault, I'm sorry.
Heyman an innocent victim here? I think for the first time ever, Heyman was.
I mean, it's my fault, I'm sorry.
All right, guys, seriously, not now. It's not the first time he's got punched. It won't be the last.
The Usos working well together as a team. They go for the tag team titles Sunday. A week from Sunday, I should say. As the Usos go up top. Damien Sandow, center of the ring. Check this out! In stereo! How impressive are the Usos?
Here are your winners, the Usos!
The Usos just beat a very good tag team.
They don't want it, Usos. Roman Reigns and Seth Rollins.
Yeah.
You are now staring down the eyes of the #1 contenders for the WWE Tag Team titles.
Yes, sir.
Jimmy and Jay, the Usos. Come July 14th, Money in the Bank, kickoff, we're coming after those titles, punks. You guys always say, believe in the Shield, have faith in the Usos. Usos!